Good morning children, welcome to mathematics class. So in previous class we have started the new lesson, that is lesson number 5, numbers from 10 to 20. Okay. Numbers from 10 to 20. Okay. So in previous class you have already learned about the lessons, the number related to 1 to 9. So one digit number you have already learned. So how the two digit number will form, or how the numbers will form from 10 to 20. Suppose 110 is equal to 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, if 10 ones has become, that is equal to 110. So 110 plus 1 is equal to 11. Got it? 110 plus 2 ones is equal to 12. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. 110, it means 10 plus 3 ones. So 110 is nothing but 10 plus 3 ones is nothing but 3. So 10 plus 3, 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 30. Again 110, that is 10 plus 4 ones, that is 4, is equal to 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. Got it? So how the two digits are forming? By adding 110 plus 1, that is 11. 110 plus 2 ones is equal to 12. 110 plus 3 ones is equal to 13. 110 plus 4 ones is equal to 14. 110 plus 5 ones is equal to 15. 110 plus 6 ones is equal to 16. 110 plus 7 ones is equal to 17. 110 plus 8 ones is equal to 18. 110 plus 9 ones is equal to 19. 110 plus 110. It means 2 tens is equal to 20. Got it? In a 20, there are 20 ones or 2 tens. Got it? Now look at your textbook. Page number 203. Already you know, we have discussed about this in a previous class. Just once again we will recall. See, there are 110. So 0 ones is equal to 110. 110 plus 1 flower is equal to 11. 10 stars plus 2 stars is equal to 12. 10 balls plus 3 balls is equal to 13. 10 fishes plus 4 fishes is equal to 14. 10 leaves plus 5 leaves is equal to 15. 10 balloons plus 6 balloons is equal to 16. 10 trees plus 7 trees is equal to 17. 10 triangles plus 8 triangles is equal to 18. Again 10 balls plus 9 balls is equal to 19. The spelling is N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. Then 20 kites is equal to, or 2 tens and 0 ones is equal to 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Next page 205, number sequence 10 to 20. Count and write the numerals. 1 is done for you. We can write numbers in tens and ones. See, just look at this picture. There are some pencils. In first group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pencils plus 1 pencil is equal to 10 pencils. So that 10 pencils is nothing but 1 10. Regroup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is equal to 110. So group of 10 pencils is equal to 1 group. That is one group. That is nothing but 110. So just see this picture. This is one bundle of 10 pencils. That is nothing but 110. See, 10 plus 0, 10. Here only one bundle. So one bundle is considered as 10. Got it? So one bundle is equal to 10. So one bundle, 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. Here one bundle of pencils, it means 10 plus one single pencil. So 10 plus 1 we should write. So write in your textbook. This is one bundle of pencils. They have written answer 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. Next again, one bundle of pencil and single one pencil. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Next, this is one bundle of pencil so this is 10. This means one bundle means 10 plus 1, 2 pencils individually, that is 12. Next, again one bundle plus 3 pencils. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 is the answer. So write in your textbook. Turn the page. Come to next one. See, again one bundle of pencil. I'll write the answers. So here one bundle. Again single 4 pencils. So 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Next, write in your textbook separately 5 pencils. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now this one bundle means 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single individual pencils. So 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. 14, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14, F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15, S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. Now again one bundle plus 7 pencils is equal to 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N, 17. Okay, got it? How the 2-digit numbers are obtaining? By adding. Or say 110 is equal to 10. 110 plus 2 is equal to 12. Got it? Next. Up till 17 is over. Now see, this is one bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 7, 8, 9. So 10 plus 9 is equal to 90. Now just see the last one. Here one bundle with 9 pens, 10 pencils separate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. This is nothing but one bundle 10. These are also 10. 10 ones is equal to 20. So this can be written like this also in terms of tens. This 10 pencils we will make it one bundle. So 2 bundle means 2 tens, that is nothing but 20. Okay, in 2 tens there are 20 ones. There are 2 tens. Got it? So that is nothing but 20. So here you should write 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Next, quick check. First one, write the number names for the given numerals. Okay, write the number names for the given numerals. Numerals means there is a short form numbers. We should write that in number names. 7. First one, 12, 13, 15, 19, and so these are the numerals. We should write the number names. 7. S-E-V-E-N T-E-E-N 17. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 30. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. This is 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. So I hope you are perfect to write number names from ONE 1 to FIFTY 50. So these are also number names, quite easy for you because you are perfect more than this. So once again, 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Got it? So next one, write the numerals for the given number. First question was, they have given the short forms are numerals. We have written number names. But second question is, they have given number name. We have to write numbers are numerals. Second, E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. E-I-G-H-T-W-E-N 18. S-I-X-T-W-E-N 60. Okay, they have given number name. We should write the numerals. See, 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. This is 11. 13. 20. 12. 18. comparison of numbers up to 20. Okay, these things we will discuss tomorrow. Then comparison of numbers means putting greater than, less than and equal to sign. You know already this one. Greater than, less than and equal to sign. Where, how we should write this, how we should put, and how to compare the numbers we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. And I told you very long ago, that is to by heart tables. I hope you are by hearting. You know your classmate, his name is Pratik Mang. You know him? Yes. He is perfect up to 30 tables. 2 to 30 he is perfect. I'll send you one video. In that he has read out the tables without seeing from 2 to 30 tables. First standard child, that to your friend Pratik Mang has by-hearted 2 to 30 tables without one mistake also. He will tell continuously from 2 to 30 tables. So he has done means you are also able to do this. Yes, and parents also, I request you to just approach your child to read the tables, because tables are very important for the higher classes. Higher class means when they will start doing multiplication and division, they need tables. And by hearting, memorizing tables will increase the memory power of a child. So it can make them very perfect to remember the concepts of teaching. It may be science, maths, English, SS, whatever. So if they start by hearting or memorizing tables, it helps to other subjects also. So it's my kind request to everyone, that parents as well as the child, that to by heart tables. Okay, already one child from first standard, he is perfect from 2 to 30 tables. Okay, very shortly I will send his video also, that you can confirm whether he has done or not. Yes, so in the next videos I should take another student name also, like he has done like this. So who will be that student? I am waiting it. So please parents, approach your child to read table from morning and evening. So day by day it will be memorized, they will by heart. Okay, thank you.